use the barristers to write as if it's Mazi Kanu writing it. I don't know if any of you watched that program. Who was it referring to? It was the Jimakov. It was Jimakov has been working with them for a very long time. There was a time Mazi staff member did an exposition, a little exposition on the Jimakov when the Jimakov wanted to do something, very, tricky. And he did a little bit of exposition on the Jimakov. And the Jimakov said that I kept quiet. So what is going on here is that you need to go back. The Kanuta Kanu group and DOS group, none of them is pure. All of them are involved. So the only difference is that when they got involved, all of them have started fighting for money and position. Who is going to be in charge? Kanuta Kanu wanted to be in charge. If you follow the trend, you will see. If you watch Kanuta Kanu's confession, where he said they know more than him, that has been the case. So he wanted to take over. And they refused him to take over. And that's why they sidelined him. And if you watch, he has not been able to say anything against it because each other knows that they know each other's secret. So we need to be very, very careful. We cannot be rushing and be praising anybody. If not, we will fall into a trap. So let them, if he comes out and gives press this thing, say this is what Master Kanu said, fine, we will look at it. The one that will see that actually match our liberation will take it. But let us stop praising him. Let us stop praising them. I don't trust any of them. I do not trust any of them. We must not make this mistake of rushing and start praising any of them. Go back and follow the trend. Edimako has been working with Kanuta Kanu and Master Prophet from the beginning. None of them is pure. They know what it's just that each of them has different roles that they play. Kanuta Kanu is not pure. Person I knew about the brother's kidnap and kept it secret for good 8 days and told the secretary to keep it secret cannot be exempted. The secretary was tweeting up till June 28th. He was using Madikano's Twitter handle to visit Biafra. So let us not have selective amnesia and forget it easily. And when things just happen, we just jump out and start praising. We need to stop it. We need to stop it. Let's observe them. Let them do what they want to do. Like Okoko said, that is the right way to go.
Yeah.
We are not taking any instruction for DSS custody. But the man comes out to his father as a king and tell us what to do. No instruction for DSS custody will not take. Thank you.
Thank you, Erasmus. Thank you so much.
I have a call about wait, Mazugo. You see, this Erasmus, my brother, is always in the spirit. Before I release this caller, I said it when I came here. Because Mazugo, do you remember when the sit at home was cancelled? It is the same Ejiofor that used calendar to cancel that sit at home. So any of them speaking to us, we are not taking it. The only person who will take his statement is Mazen Nandekaro live and not from Radio Biafra. Call on the line, please go. We are listening to you.
Good evening,
Mazu, higher my voice, so we don't pass 50 years here. Go on, God bless you.
What I want to say, first of all, I want to start by...
Una the hear that? Maz, they can't hear you.
No. Hello, can you hear me?
Maz, wait, let me see.
We are straining our ears to
the volume of my television.
Try harder.
Mazi, I have come to the end of the volume of this phone. Though.
Can you hear me?
Now it's better a little bit, yeah.
Okay. Good evening. I want to appreciate all of you for all the good work you've been putting in. I think the message is clear. We don't take orders from DSS London. And our people should know that now everybody has to get up. We cannot sit by and watch them humiliate our mothers. We cannot allow that. If this were to be in the north, by now everywhere would have been in flames. They can now come to our land and molest, humiliate our mothers and think that we can just sit back and watch them. I urge everybody to stand up in any way you can, revolt and take out these criminals out of our land. Any politician aiding them, any proxy, any businessman, of our land. This is the time. Nobody should come here to talk about structure or operations of indigenous people of Biafra. This is not the time. This is the time for everybody to swing into action. People should come out and support our Eastern Security Network. Our wealthy people, they should come out. If they don't come out to support us, the Fulani at the end of the day will still make them come to zero. They should ask about Ibeto. What is happening to him today? It will come to the table of all of them. This is the time for them to get up and support our people so that we will not be estimated. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, number one. God bless you.
Okay, I have a caller here. Can she go on?
Yeah, Mazugo.
Okay, my sister, go on.
Okay, so great warriors, Dalo Chukwugoziono. So what I just want to talk about here, or where I want to, emphasize on, is the publication or the post of lawyer, barrister, what's his name again? Aloy Ejimako. Okay? Yes, so this is my observation. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu spiritually is connected with autopilots. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu anointed Simon Eber. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu anointed what gave birth to what is going on today. Okay? If this is not physical. Now, let me use myself for example. There was a time I had a situation. Okay, I have somebody and I want to replace this person, but if I just go ahead to replace this person, it's going to cause a lot of damages. And if I confront him, it's going to be a problem. And this person was destroying things for me. Okay, what did I do? I used diplomacy. I got somebody. So what I will do, I will reach out to him. I was still reaching out to him. I will reach out to him and tell him that I'm sending somebody, that somebody will be coming. But I didn't tell him who the person is. I said, like I will give direction. So he will be the one to pass it. Okay? So gradually I was taking that power. Gradually I was taking, so I used diplomacy. Okay? When he saw like I don't give him any messages again, I don't give him any sensitive things again, like any sensitive responsibility again. And then after a while, he now started asking questions. He was like, what's the meaning of this? I'll be like, oh, don't worry about it. And then he will reach out to me and say, okay, one of these, and I'll be like, that's why I got it, or I will tell him I'll be sending someone. Until he realized everything is taken away from him. And then he started fighting, like his neck that, the head is cut off. But it's late. And then that was when I had to address it. I said, my dear, I entrusted this on you, but unfortunately you failed. So this is my explanation from the post of barrister Aloy Ejimako, as simple as that. That's my observation. So that's just what I want to share. And then for the politicians that are messing with our mothers, woe to them. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Mada. Thank you. Okay, we're still waiting for your callers. So as we wait for callers, I don't know if any of you have something to continue. Somebody said I thought
someone was asking for link. Is it a member of autopilot team? No, eh?
If the person is a media team, a member of the media team, he should come in. But if not, this is strictly for the media team alone. I thought this was actually a joke. Bola Tinubu steals photograph of a young Donald Duke. But can this really be true? I guess Bola Tinubu should sue Donald Duke for insulting him by saying his picture was used as Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Please, how come?
Mazugo.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to cut you off. We're still on the issue. And I want to say something concerning that. Erasmus say something.
Just one moment. Mazi, go
Erasmus says
on.
something. He
Mazi,
said
go on.
that okay, there are a lot of things coming up now. They can use even the devil. If they can go to Afari Ibek and vote for Honorable Chief Israel Kano out. Let me tell you, in the Bible it happens. They can vote anything now to convince Biafra to fulfill the heart desire of Chinas and Woro and the Jofo. Even Kano Takano, no matter whatever, I have never believed that there is no blessing from their family that their hand is not into this thing until we reach to the end of the journey, because I never see a great prophet like this who can be kidnapped or who can be, I could say, hand over to Judas without his own family. It has never happened. There must be someone in the family of Mazin, and that's why we must make sure that all his lawyers, we must follow them accordingly. Ejimoko, if you ask me, I don't trust nobody, even Bruce Fenn. Ejiofor own is manifested because of the amount of prayer we're doing. So in anything concerning lawyer say, Mazinan can say this one. If Ejiofor can betray us, who's our lawyer Ejimoko? So let's focus like that. We cannot take, I repeat, anything from Mazinan any longer, because many imposters have used his name to scatter this agitation. When it comes out, we hand everything over to him. But for now, we don't take anything from Mazinan. We stand with Simon, but anything he say with Mazuka, that's where we stand. Go on. Thank you.
Mala. Okay, Kola, can you please go on? You have 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem. My brother, all hail Biafra.
All hail
Biafra we get.
Okay. My brother, I'm talking. Let me speak English so that everybody will hear what I'm saying. Okay? Now, we don't have time.
No.
Number one, I know Igbo people, all Biafrans have money. Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Yes, all Biafrans have money. All of them, we have rich men. But I believe if they don't want to put their money to get Biafra, they wake up one day, they will turn them, all of them, all the women that used to wear gold, wear everything. Even though dress as a man like a woman to dress, based on our tradition, you will see all of them, they will wear black and black. You cannot, unless if you go to your house, you see a woman. You cannot see a woman when you will dress like normal. Come outside, you see him, as you used to say a woman now. Let them remember that their money is useless. And let every Igbo people that have money put money on Biafra, because time has come. Let me tell all you guys, war is in front of. If any person, let me tell you, like Peter Vina, all of you people that are going up and down, talking. Hello, are you hearing me?
We are hearing you.
We are hearing you. Go on.
Yes, all of them that are going to this and that. Let them, all of them remember, war is in front, and that war is near, and it's going to start very soon, because American government said, UK, so even though that UK, that even though back in Nigeria, said that very soon they have attack in Abuja. Do you think that attack will not happen? That attack, they already projected it to work, but because of UK and the America open it on time, then they mellow down. They will still come back. And the same one already announced where attack will come, but some of them, they don't want to hear. They're moving. They think that they're moving with life. They're moving with death. Because these people can blow anywhere. 100 can die.
Thank you.
They don't care.
Mazi,
so let them bring that amount. Any person at the, okay, I see Zip Michael. You go and showing news site. I ask myself, they're showing news site. Are you not know what is happening? I think that, I believe that people in Nigeria, my brother, they're so blind, you.
Mazi, thank you.
Because if you...
Hello? Hello, Mazi, are you there?
Hello.
Hello, good
Hello.
evening. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
And there was, sir. I beg you, go on. You get 2 minutes.
Okay, my brother. Okay, autopilot media. I salute you.
We salute you.
They won.
They will.
So, Batra, the Yara Batana, Batra, Kanonta. Yeah, Batra Kan. Yeah, well, we salute. So, Batra Kanonta, na Oje na Iba College. That's what I'm at high. Already here, for the people, for the fallen angels. Here, windows soon then the name when they just say we should those here. I can make a what? I into two. None the area to fly here. And the cannot and within them the area. So you know what I had a major about autopilot. Also, I had the same group who I group who I in the drada at a law. And also, I had that not the car but I want to watch the shy continuous. Yeah, but I'm a shy in the after. Although also, you know what I mean, what is good. Also, I had it doesn't concern us. Because we are focused, we have focus, and we have where we are going. And already all in the hand, and the same plan he will take the after. So that thing we should not bother anybody. All your I can get all for their side is there. Oh, Carlos and ticket don't get me enough. But what's a high? Already had it like it. So everybody had a theater and that's the kind of right. It doesn't concern autopilot with the seniors. And the senior of Kumboku, I had a highway indicated. Or the end of the Kalabata. And although what I don't know, that depends on the message. Or there is anybody. I need the Bokota. Only about their name said that not the kind of generation, which means only on a comfort zone to talk and not the kind of then at the prison.
There was, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, caller. Thank you. Thank you. Umuchineke, thank you.
Okay.
Please.
Any caller from your side?
No caller for now. As you're calling in, please channel your energy more to educate our people on their need to support ESN because we are in war. They have not declared it publicly, but it is done systematically. That is why you see dead bodies being carried on wheelbarrows. You see dead bodies being carried on trucks and motorcycles and bicycles. None of these senators or governors or rulers can help you, and they cannot come to your aid.
Hello, hold on a moment.
The only people that can help you is your Biafran restoration project, and ESN has the mandate. So please educate people the more. They work.
Okay. Hello, my beautiful sister. Go on. Hello. Caller, go on. We are waiting.
Hello?
We are listening to you.
Hello?
Hello, we are listening.
Is that me?
Yeah, you.
Hey, oh yeah, Mazzy go good afternoon from here.
And they will.
There was actually, Chineke God, you all are doing great, please. I bless you all. I want to comment on that. The last speaker, what he said. He said that this issue is no longer about maybe it's not. We don't have anything to do with that publication from Allah Ejimaka. You understand? So I don't even expect our media team to be, publishing it as if there's a big deal there. Because if you can remember, just like one of the callers said, this Magical and Allah Ejimaka, they are a team with Madame Nenaya. So they have their own problem with the DOS. They scattered. So we don't have anything to do with that publication. They should go and sort themselves out. As it stands now, we are not. You're welcome. We are not bothered about that publication. We are not taking, like Master Simon Epa said, our spokesman said, we are not taking any order from BSS Dungeon, and that is it. And I also to thank Mazi Erasmus. He made a very great point from what he said. When the issue of sit at home came up, the Mazi Kanuta was one of the first persons that, I cancelled it along with the US when they were still in Tango. And when they had their fallout, so they started fighting themselves. So we're not even bothered about that. Another thing I want to say, Mazi, is there's a video that I saw where some vigilante group, they caught about 10 Fulani boys from Kaduna, and they were questioning them. They were interviewing them. How can you be interviewing these people and in the camera? They're not even supposed to put these boys in the video, interviewing them. And this same place is close to the place where the killings, where the Fulani people killed our people. And these 10 boys from Kaduna, they said they work in a Chinese company there. And you are interviewing them. Why are you interviewing them in the video and letting the world see them? You shouldn't do that. You know what to do with such people. People from Kaduna, this is the same place where El Rufai, who is supposed to be one of the sponsors of Boko Haram, is from. These are the people they sent forth to our villages to kill our women. And these guys said they were going to the bush to play. Who plays in the bush, in the forest, in our farms? Who plays there? It beats my imagination where young men that are supposed to be taking care of the villages and, protecting lives, they are interviewing Fulani boys. Hey, when are we going to learn? These people have come to kill us all. And it's very unfortunate. And also the video of our women that were being tortured by these same men in uniform. I cried when I saw those videos. We need to do something. We really need to do something. I know that Master Simon left my sign, but our people in the villages, they need to be taught, how to defend themselves, how to defend our mothers. I've not seen any, a reaction from anybody, like men down there in the villages, coming out to speak on behalf of our mothers that were being molested and being maltreated. And in the court, under the sword, hey, Jesus, how can we be treated like this in our own land?
Thank you so much, Wada. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. God bless
you. As we are Balegola, I beg, if you never subscribe to this VOB, if you never subscribe to VOB, I beg you with God, go and subscribe. Like I said before, I will ask that you go there, watch from there. But as I go back, I see say only about 10 people that subscribe. After that, the other ones nobody subscribe. Like I'm saying, I'm begging everybody, I beg. That VOB is not any personal person property. It belongs to Biafra. Just like you hear Voice of Biafra Radio TV. Now be that no be any individual person get them now. Biafran property. So I beg you, as I post the link again, go there and subscribe and watch from there. Because very soon we will be streaming from there, and the program will be streamed from there. No other person will be allowed to anchor it. So I beg, it is very important. Subscribe. Help Biafra. That is property of Biafra. As we do anything, you can, if you did it for Prophet Okanyona, you can do it for yourself. As you are subscribing there, you are subscribing to help yourself, because this is Biafran property. So we beg you. I want to see the subscribers increase. I beg everybody. Any caller from there?
Hello, Mazu. Good evening from here.
Okay, good evening, sir. Mazu, ngwa, in 2 minutes, ngwa. Use your phone.
Mazu, keep survivor and make it. You people are doing a very good thing. You people are doing a very good job. I greetings to you all. Mazu, please, my contribution is that like about what Mazu said before, and Erasmus bring are not taking any order from DSS. Our leader has been discharged and they are put there. What we will be talking about now is how to make for him to come out, not for him to stay in DSS and be giving orders. Please, we don't need to take any order from the DSS. That should be our point now. You know, I like to listen to Erasmus. Whenever Erasmus posts any program, I love to listen to him. He always makes a point. He always makes a very good point. Please, let us be talking about how our leader will come out. I'm not to be giving order from DSS London to this person and the other. We don't need any order from there. All we need is for him to come out. Then we can listen to him. The only person we can take order for is Mazi Simon. Anything that he is bringing on the table, that's what we are going to follow. Any order coming from DSS is not acceptable because people can do they can do anything.
Thank you, Mazi.
Let us be focused and thank you all for all you are doing. I appreciate you all. Really.
Thank you. I think I don't know. I think we should be rounding up.
Yes, I think we have tried, Mazugo. We have tried today.
Okay, now make this caller enter. Maybe you now go be the last one, Abi.
Yeah, my brother, good evening, everyone. I just have a very important something to say.
Okay.
You know, I appreciate what all of you guys are doing.
Thank
you know, it is a plane that was hovering over Biafra land, with the Nigerian flying flag. You know, I'm thinking that might be a spy plane. Our people have to be careful. Okay, that's what I said. Let me just chip in. And I also, Biafra Unite, I know I've been seeing him comment, but I haven't heard his voice. Our people have in contact with him have to be sure to make sure you guys speak with him to make sure he's the right person. It's not a DSS that are using his stuff to camouflage. These are sensitive things I want you guys to pay attention to. I'm one of the autopilots. That's what I want to say. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, Mazi.
And then you come in. Okay. Okay. Caller on the line, Mazugo. Okay, caller, you can go on there listening to you.
Okay, my brothers, I want to appreciate it. The was from also Itukwa, the Bifilebe. When Shoyakuma Biafra, Ujaplo Nobla, okay, Kushaka. When the politicians want the Haja walk against us, I am 192 count. But me for a minute, Mwasi Bogota to Cameroon. I'm on Cameroon for 20 years. I got a rule of what in a minute. My Cassipra question about on the ground would be Sahan no shaking. But I give him Mary. I want one winter. So you're not going over Mandara Toshan. One day, let men trouble is would be so noble and we broke I give him Mary. Can I remove Kundi long? English got to pass also. I'm eventually can much.
Thank you, one them KO.
Yeah, one them bad. Oh, Shubu Gajegi. So we don't try now. 2.5 hours no day here. Yeah, I be there here.
You know they here on a try well go.
You know, so I think before we go, I don't know if anybody have anything to say.
Say some people are still making mistakes on our website to pay money. You know, we get some information that people, you know, this if you tell us the criminals under Chike Dozem and China Sanguru and Dr. Loland, there's still some people are still anytime they are doing our fundraising, they will pump in that their website so that some people who don't read good we go and pay money into them. You know, so our people should look good. Our own website is different. We always show it. Amara was have designed it one time here, how it has to work and put it in video, but we'll keep on playing it. Nobody understands how it goes. We go pay money, go carry your money. You watch hand, they finish. You watch hand, they peel a goosey, go carry, go give chicken. It's exactly what you do. They will carry that money, go give a job for. Ejiofor were ga gwọ ọgwụ pụta na redio Biafra n'afọ n'ọnụ ụmụ Chineke ụmụ Chineke ọhịa eji ego unu na-eme mụnụ ga-akwụnyere Ejiofor ego ahụ.
Anyway, Mazi Okogwo, like every Biafran they see for screen now, this thing now where now they see now be the website. If you enter now this thing you go see, and as you go enter now
Mazi 247, remove us from the screen. Remove this number so that they can see the
We will
screen
not
very
even
well.
see self for ourselves.
Okay.
Remove the numbers as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you enter the website www.ipobinUSA.org. Now like this you go come out for you, whether now from phone you enter computer or whether now from tablet or whether now from sky, anyhow you enter. Even our ancestors we don't die, if they enter now still the same thing they go see. So when you enter,
As you go.
Yes.
I beg no vex. Go back to Google search. Go and type the www. May they see the way you type them so that they can see the web address. Before you
Yes.
click hit, then it will direct you to this site so that they can see.
Exactly, yeah.
Just click backward the page.
Okay.
Then type it from Google search. Let them see it.
Our people don't pay these people too much, Ugo. Don't be lying.
Okay. So I come here, I type www.ipobinUSA. As you can see donate indigenous people of Biafra USA. Now like that you don't talk about Sonny.
Clean everything up. Start afresh. May they see the way you type them.
Okay.
What time? Just visit the Google page newly.
Okay. All right. Okay, this is Google.
Yeah.
I enter here. I type www.
You see that preparing something. Somebody's online. I don't know if you want to receive the call.
Please let the caller wait. Let you go finish.
Make it wait.
Okay, caller wait because we are teaching something very important too.
Yeah, I see you on Google. I see.
All right, just wait. Yeah, wait.
Okay.
org/donate. I go enter. You can't carry me come out for here. You see, when you type www.ipobinUSA.org for Google, it will bring you here.
Yes.
So when you enter here, you go see all these things now. When me at the see, you go see this donate. You go come see this one where they use red, right? Anyhow, when you enter, any gadget where you use enter, now red they take right up. You go see all contributions on this website. Go to the indigenous people of Biafra under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then if you come, you go see this B where they put one into two where they dance. You go come see this Bitcoin address where they write here. That is, if na Bitcoin you want use donate, you go use this address where they here. If you use this address, you go donate. So if na ordinary if you want join 100 men, 1,000 men or 1,000 men and the women, if you want join them, you go see this first one for €50 for $50 or $100. If for single donation, you go follow this first one. That is, you want donate only one every month. You go there, then do them yourself. But if you want make it enter every month, you go they do the thing. Go take money from your card automatically. You go come for the second one, and I'm be 1,000 men recurring donation. If you enter here every month, the card, the website go collect whether na €50, $50, £50, any amount wey you pledge, or 100 or 1,000 or 1,000,000 wey you pledge every month. The website go collect am direct from your card. Then you come another one, the next one, single donation. Make single donation to IPOB. Choose the amount. If na this one you want, you go choose the amount, donate. If you press am, e go say donate. Then you come here, you go see select amount, you press am. From $1.50 you can donate. So you no go say you no get 1,000,000, you no get 100,000,000. From $1.50 you can donate.
And
So
donate.
yeah, you select the one wey you want, reach 1,000, reach 10,000, reach 1,000,000. If you select am, if na one, it depend how much you go put pay, e go carry you go to where you wan pay. Then this one, your current, the same thing with the other one wey I tell you, whether you wan make every month e go dey go by itself, or you want every month you enter there go do am yourself, you go follow this second one. The same thing, very very easy. But before you enter this place wey we dey, you must type www.ipobinusa.org. If you like, you carry capital letter type am o. If you like, you carry small letter type am. E must carry you come here. As long as you put am ipobinusa.org, e go bring you here. So na im be as I go fit explain am, unless the people, you know, say na English they use, right? I'm not be broken and the new people.
Thank you, Mazugo.
I just explain them as I fit.
All right.
Now,
Caller on the line. Thank you. Mazugo has finished explaining to us how it works. So you can make it fast. We're closing already. Thank you.
Yeah, I do. Thank you. God bless you. I just want to contribute something. I don't know because I just came late from work, but still let me just say something. You see, the Fulanis, they have one system they used to occupy area. Number one, they look for places where they have grass. Where they have grass, the Fulani is their target. They must have grass there, they must have water. Either a stream very close by, or a grassland where they have grass. And if there is few people living in that particular area, the Fulanis will identify that place. They will now go and call their killing machine. They will come there, kill the people that is around that area, and then now occupying that place. That is the way Fulani operate. And they do that in the north, in Benue, in other places. And most of these Fulanis now, they will come, they will lodge in our hotel. They come like the individual. They come maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But they already have their plan. They will lodge in our hotel, and the day they are going to take off, they will take off and they will go do. So it's like we are harboring them. We are assisting them by giving them. These people, they are war against us. They want to take our land. They said it openly. So if people keep on giving the hotel or to rent the place, and they come and stay 5 or 6, we are encouraging a place they may not have chance. So they don't come with a gun or with their weapon. They come alone, and then later they will bring the weapon. Immediately they bring the weapon, the next night they go up. And I want our people also to start studying the way they operate, how they do their, so that we will have better advantage. Because these people, the minute I'm living in EOB, I know a lot of friends who tell me that they already go to Lagos. Nigeria is now the Fulani have made decision that Nigeria have to be for Fulani country. What I have to do to them? It's reality. I had them talking. So this is what I want to say. God bless you people, and keep on working hard. And we have to study them. We have to follow it, because if we know their pattern, then we'll have a better chance to catalyze them. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Mazu. Thank you for that point. Thank you. Right, Mazugo. Bless you, go. Basala,
Uh, um, I don't know. Thank you so much for the super chat. I don't know where you put them, but anywhere
I
you
don't
put them
know.
autopilot, you put them to support autopilot.
I
God
don't know.
bless you. So I beg who they play our voice again here? Who they play the thing where would they talk? Make it they play double. Okay.
Mind
So uh,
I know they open now.
is anybody watching from any other gadget?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Wow. Anyway,
As
I
you go,
close.
you can see from our microphone. You can see where the sound is coming from our microphone.
Okay. Okay. All right. Biafrans, I thank una well. Una don't try subscribe to this our VOB today, but I go still beg you. If you never subscribe to VOB, go there and subscribe so that the.
As you go, could you please use the next 5 minutes for people to go to VOB and subscribe? We put it on the screen and be watching while they just go there, the link and hit and then subscribe. We just watch just for the next 5 minutes before we go.
Okay, okay. I will bring it to the screen. So I beg everybody, if you are here and you have not subscribed to this channel, go here and thank you. Thank you. Go and subscribe from this our VOB and do it now. Um, hold on. I wonder why this in the re-echo like this. So I don't know why. Um, where the VOB name be this, I believe. I will share. Then put down full. Well, why they do like this now? Okay, I think I will look for it from here.
Now be that now. The network they do.
I don't know why I no glitch you. Make I follow here look for them.
The network they do.
No.
Please, from wherever you're watching from, hit the link on the comment section. Go and continue watching from VOB YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. If you're watching from Ajares TV, you might not see the link from Ajares TV because it's not here to post it on the comment section. You can leave there, go to 247's TV, you see the link on the comment section. You can go to Mazukun Quartz channel, you see the link on the comment section. You can go to Biafran Sony TV, you see the link on the comment section. Just hit on it and then it will direct you to the channel and then you continue watching and then you remember to hit the like and the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so that when we use that channel you can see us live. Please, we are using the next 5 minutes to do this and we implore you all to please grow that channel for us with the subscription, please.
Okay, here we are. That is the channel. So if you've not subscribed, go there now and subscribe for us. We beg you, go there and subscribe. This is our own, no be for everybody. So I don't know who. Thank you. I believe this should be from Ralph. Thank you so much. I believe you are listening to us because okay now Ralph don't say it. Thank you. Uh-huh. Ralph, you know come again, no. Now one for you. God bless you. So this is the
Please
VOB.
tell Raf to post the link on his comment section so that people can see it and
Okay,
click to
Ralph,
go to
Ralph, you
VOB.
hear wetin Sunny the talk. Put the link of VOB for your comment section so that people can go and subscribe and they subscribe and they begin to watch from there. Like as we the talk, anywhere you the watch from, whether from my own, whether from Sunny, whether from Mazo, Conquer, Chuk Survivor, Ralph. We want everybody to go to this VOB and subscribe and watch from there for these remaining few minutes we are here. I beg everybody, try and subscribe from there. I beg everybody. We beg everybody. We beg everybody. Go and subscribe from VOB. Go and subscribe from VOB. God will bless you as you they do so, and the God will still bless you as you they do so. Thank you for win. Thank you for subscribing. We are waiting to see the subscription increase. We are waiting. We are waiting to see the subscription increase. We can see it is going up, but not all enough. If all the like we'll have up to maybe 800 people watching us, at least 600 people watching us right now, if you could go there and subscribe, the number of subscribers will mount to more than 1,000 plus. So we beg you to go there and do your own subscription. That channel is not one person's own. It belongs to everybody. Everybody get them. Everybody get them. It belongs to every Biafran. We beg you, go there and subscribe and try and watch there. VOB, Dr. Joy Irobi. I'm posting the link again. This is the link. I beg, I post them now. Please go there and subscribe. I better not put and finish. Yo. Go there and subscribe. See the link here. Go and subscribe. I beg everybody, go there and subscribe.
Thank you. Thank you. The number is going up. Now we have 893. Keep on going, please.
Yeah,
Let us get
Biafrans,
to
we thank
1K
you.
or 1.5K before we leave. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. As you go, please put the screen of the YouTube on the screen.
All
Keep
right,
on
all
going,
right. I'm
please.
sorry the thing went off.
Click the link and go there, hit the subscribe and enable the notification button. Now we have 900. Please keep on going. The number is sparking up, please. Keep on going. The number is 900 now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, please. VOB Voice of Biafra YouTube channel is for you and I.
Yeah,
It's not for
yeah. Let
Sunny,
everybody
but it's for
subscribe and watch
for
from this
everybody.
place. I beg you. I can see 80 watching. I want it to get to 2, 3, 400 if possible. Let every other channel become zero viewer, but let all the viewers go over to the VOB now. Please. It's important we finish and conclude this arrangement now and today.
The number is
No,
going
not
up.
for Facebook. Go come goodness JC. Come to Facebook. I beg you, come to Facebook and subscribe to come to YouTube and subscribe to VOB. Come to YouTube. Thank you, Dr. Joy. Thank you so much. God bless you. All of you that have subscribed so much, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And those that have not subscribed, we beg you to go there and subscribe now before we close. I beg you at
Nine
least
9010, 910, the number is going. Please leave wherever you are. Leave whichever channel you're watching now. Just hit the link on the comment section and continue watching from VOB Voice of Biafra. The number is going up 912. We are going, please. Let's do this. Continue watching from there. Continue watching from there. 914. Number is going. Let us hit 1 point something subscribers before we close. Keep going, keep going, keep going, please. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Enable the notification bell 916. Keep going, we are going, we are going. We have almost 1K subscribers, 1K viewers watching from all over and even more than that. So everyone, leave wherever you're watching from, leave 247, leave Biafran Sunny TV, leave Mazuko Nkwo, leave Raphael Ajare TV. Hit the link on the comment section and continue watching from VOB. Hit the like button as you get there, hit the subscribe button. Let us increase the numbers of subscribers on the VOB YouTube channel. Number is going 920. We are going. 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 Some people say they have their favorite. He said, I went there, I subscribed, I came back to my favorite. Okay, Akatanzema, no wahala. But just go subscribe for us and then come back. Continue
People,
watching from just for today. Then tomorrow when we come back, we continue from your favorite channel. Just hit there because VOB is going to be the most favorite of it all. When everybody are streaming on their individual platforms, you'll be hearing it from there. Whether you hook up to us direct or you go to VOB, you go to hear it. The number is going. We have, let me see, 900 and 900 and 926. Let us go. Let's go. Let's
Yes,
go.
I posted the link again. Somebody asked for the link. I reposted the link. Okay, Akashiku Okike. God bless you. I will keep reposting the link. I'm posting it again and again and again and again. So you will see it. Just go there and subscribe. I beg you. God will bless you. Maybe we'll
Let's go.
finish
Let's
this thing
go.
today. I beg.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please hit the like and the subscribe button from wherever you are watching from. I'm reposting from Biafran Sunny TV again. The 37 of you that is left in Biafran Sunny TV, leave there now. Leave there now.
I
Go
still have
to
plenty of them
VOB.
here. All
Go
these,
to
okay,
VOB.
wait, let me see.
Hit the
Biafra
link on the
voice.
comment section of
How many there was?
Biafran Sunny TV. Go to VOB, subscribe there, continue watching from there. Hit the like button. Please, we want this number to go up to as far as 1 point something K subscribers before we leave here now. Let's see the update of the subscribers as we move. Let's see what is on the screen. Okay, 938. 938. We are
More
almost there.
70 something. Just call them more 80 people. We need more 80. I still have 300 watching from 247. If 300 of you have not subscribed, I beg you leave and they go there and subscribe now. I'm begging all of you. Do us this favor, and if you are watching from any of the Facebook, still go to YouTube and then subscribe there, because when I post this link here, the link goes to everywhere. It goes to Facebook, it goes to YouTube, it goes to everywhere that this program is being run. Yeah, okay, yes. Once I post it, so you are getting it in YouTube, follow the link, go into the YouTube and then subscribe to that channel and watch there. Very soon, this joint broadcast will be only in the voice of Biafra alone.
As
Nobody
you
will
go,
bother.
as you
Yes,
go,
yes.
when you post the link from the host session,
Yeah.
It will only display from your own channels. It will not
No,
display
no. It
on
they go
Facebook.
everywhere. It they go to oh okay, now my YouTube now only my Facebook it they go. Ah
Now
nah,
only
yeah,
your
yeah,
own channel might go display. That is why I said every other person in this you have to
yeah,
copy the
yeah,
link
yeah,
and paste it in their individual comment section. From there, it will show up. That's what we are doing now. So please, the number is going up. I can see 945. I can see 947. Please hit the link on the comment section from wherever you're watching from and go and hit the subscribe button and continue watching from there. Don't leave there. Continue watching from there. Continue watching from
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. We need up to 60 of you, more 60 people to subscribe there. We beg you all. We beg you all. This is our property. It belongs to me and you. Not be only me, it belongs to everybody. Everybody is Biafran. This is Biafran voice, our voice of Biafran radio. It belongs to everybody. So
951, 951, 951. Keep on going, please. Keep on going, please. Keep on going, please. Amaka, you said you cannot get from where? Amaka, where are you watching from? Amaka, I cannot get from Sunny Bed, BOB. Uh-huh. So as you are in BOB, continue watching from there.
yeah,
Continue
if you
watching from
already
there.
there, don't come out to stay there and
Don't
watch.
come back. Stay there.
Yeah.
We don't sell you give BOB today. So stay there today.
Stay there and watch. Watch from
Continue watching.
VOP.
And
Continue
please
watching from.
remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. When you hit the like button, it helps to push the feed out to people that do not know
Mhm.
the channel. They will see it and then they will be able to hook up and then also know that this is VOP and to also push the videos there out for people to know. So at times when you're not getting notification from Mazi Simon
Thank
Egba's
you,
channel when
thank
it
you,
comes
thank
live
you.
or any of us, you can get it from VOB because most of our
Yes,
videos we stream out there when we are on our individual live broadcast so that
yes.
everybody will get the message. So that's why you must be on VOB, subscribe, get notification so that you stay connected. Please do it. Let's go. This is our channel and it is your
Already
own channel.
subscribe, 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 subscribe.
Subscribe 954, 954. Let's keep going. We need to hit 1 point something K before we leave, please.
Thank you, God's mind.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, all of you that have subscribed so far. Thank you, and all of you that are watching from there. Kudos. Thank you so much. And those of you that have not subscribed, we thank you as you are going there to subscribe. I beg you, go there and subscribe.
955. Let's go. Let's go.
No, no, no. Agatha and Zewa, the thing is that why we want you to stay there now and watch. Well, because we are almost ending the program. So if you go there, subscribe. Okay, if you don't want to stay there, my own channel is working. Everybody own will be functioning, but we are just trying to boost that channel because that channel is as we have Voice of Biafra FM 97.5. That's the same way we'll have it. The TV is that. So we want everybody to subscribe and we want everybody to know it. Subscribe there, hit the bell icon so that you will be getting notification because maybe our next broadcast joint broadcast will be from there. And don't want that also
I
we'll
was
be
gonna dig this
broadcasting
for
from
him.
there alone. Nobody will anchor it. Only special broadcast from there. So we beg you to go there and subscribe. That is it.
Let's go, Biafrans. Let's go. Only subscribe or don't unsubscribe. Only subscribe, don't unsubscribe. Oh.
Somebody don't subscribe. Make you don't subscribe, oh, subscribe.
Only subscribe, oh, don't unsubscribe. Because
Okay, we are
you
we're
don't
up
know.
to 60.
Hey, I just got an interesting message here now. Somebody said, I mistakenly unsubscribed on your own. I said, okay,
Okay, Mazoko, okay.
go, go on and subscribe. Oh. Subscribe and stay connected, please.
Yeah, subscribe,
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 subscribe.
subscribe, subscribe.
You remember
Sus-
the other day I was here with Obim. We made sure we grew Obim's channel, and today, when she's live, Biafrans can hear her voice very loud and clear. So that is why we want every person that have something to offer to Biafran people, bring it on. We are here to make sure your voices goes out. As far as our freedom is concerned, we are not partisans on anything.
What? God's mind, be careful, eh? God's
Let's go,
mind.
let's go. 961, 961. We still need more people to go. We still need more people to go. Please, please, please hit the
Go
subscribe
and
button.
go and subscribe from here. I beg you.
Subscribe, don't unsubscribe, oh, subscribe.
Go and subscribe from here. Uh, Ralph, I beg you, keep reposting the link. Ralph, keep reposting the link. I beg you.
Mario Go, please repost your link on your comment section.
Mazoko no get too many people when they follow, when they watch him. Now you know, say Mazoko don't lose his channel. Now new one be this.
Wait,
Maybe next Friday night. Oh no, leave and make we target this one today. Next
okay,
Friday.
we go target this one today. Next
Friday we
Friday.
go target your Congo own. Yes.
Maybe it not gonna be next Friday, sir. Maybe tomorrow, me and him might go live, or three of us
That
might
one.
go live.
Okay, one that they come say for Wednesday. Maybe for Wednesday.
So tomorrow we need to post the open post channel.
All right. It's
We may
beautiful.
have a scheduled broadcast every three of us or more. We go, we post open post channel. We posted it the other day, so we need to post it again. Let the number go high.
I beg Biafrans, make gonna Biafra Unite. Can't you see that Biafra Unite is posting? He's posting. So I beg everybody go and subscribe and hit the bell icon and the like.
966. Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. 966. Let's go. Leave wherever you're watching from and hit the link on the comment section. Go to Voice of Biafra YouTube channel and subscribe there. Continue watching from there, please. Continue watching from there. Continue watching from there. Mazugo, please give us maybe one music from the background to put pepper and Maggie for this our lovely viewers and Biafrans that are with us. Find one lovely music and give them because they are lovely people. Mm-hmm. The number is going up 967. 967. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the link on the comment section from wherever you're watching from and continue going, please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Leave Biafran Sunny TV from where you're watching from. Just leave there now. Hit the link on the comment section and go over to VOB. Go over to VOB and continue watching from there. When you get there, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, continue watching from there. We want the subscribers numbers there to go up very high. Very good.
We are changing, yeah.
971. We are going. 971. Let's go. Let's go. As you enjoy the music, please, as you enjoy the music, hit the link on the comment section. Hit the subscribe button. 972. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hit the link from the comment section and go over to VOB YouTube channel, subscribe and let us move. Let's move with the speed of light. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 974. You see now the music enter now. The number is increasing rapidly. So that means music is very good to refresh our brain. If you do not subscribe, waiting you gain. So you have to subscribe as far as your freedom is concerned. We are not making money from this YouTube channel for ourselves. We are using it to send the message of liberation out. That's why we just want to make sure this channel grows. Let the number increase. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. 977, 978. The number is going up. Please, as you go, repost the link on your comment section again, please. Repost the link on your comment section again, please. Leave Biafran Solid TV from where you're watching. Go over to Voice of Biafran. Click the link on the comment section. Go there, continue watching from there. Continue watching from there. And remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We have 981 now. The number is going up. 981. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. 981. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We are growing this VOB YouTube channel. Hit the link on the comment section. 984. The number is going. It's going. 984. The number is going. 984. Number is going. Let's go. Let's go. VOB, the channel. We are growing the subscribers numbers now. Before we started, we had, I think it was whether 700 or 600 or 700 and something that we had. Now we are 900 and something, so we are almost at 1K subscribers. Masugo, please repeat music. Give us another music. Let Biafrans enjoy music while they subscribe to 986. Okay, please, let's go, let's go, let's go. I can see 100 and something people watching from VOB now. That is nice. 987 subscribers now. Let us go, let us go. Hit the link on the comment section of where you're watching from. Mazugo, please paste the link again on your comment section. Mazi Rafael, if you're listening to us, paste the link again on your comment section, please. For people that just joined now, let them see the link and click and then continue watching from there and hit the like button and subscribe button. Please, please, please. We are growing VOB subscribers numbers. 987. 987. We want to get to 1 point something K before we leave. 988. 988. If you're just joining, please follow the link on the comment section. Enter there. Mercy Thomas. Akwa Ibomado, okay. Yeah. Akwa Ibomado, okay. As far as you are here, Akwa Ibomado, okay. So let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move.
We are Biafran.
friends.
Nothing
So
more, nothing
nothing
less.
more,
You are
nothing less.
welcome.
989 subscribers. We are going. We are
There
going.
is a land that is full of natural resources.
Let's go. Let's go.
Britain divided us during colonization.
990. We are going. We are going.
And
We are going.
naturally,
Going.
educationally.
Mazugo, please put our this thing on the. Put the VOB on the screen, please. No vex. Okay. Please hit the subscribe button hit the link on the comment section, go to BOB and vote the subscriber. Go there, hit the subscribe button and let the number improve. Let's see the number now. We have 991. Please, Ansira, please report the link on your comment section.
I've already posted it. I pinned it on my comment section, so it's pinned there.
Okay.
I need to sign out from my own page now. Go and God bless you. Thank you very much. Since I just got in now, and I need to find something here right in my kitchen, but I'm here with you guys. Go and subscribe, please. God bless you.
Nigeria, please cook akara from your kitchen.
Beans. I want cook beans.
Now the talk now from there akara will come out now.
Mazu go. Hello.
You are busy, eh? You are busy.
Nigeria, don't they chop your voice too much.
He said,
I said, please don't they chop your voice too much. Maybe they put okra.
My voice don't go. I don't see. Now it's my voice. So they tell me say make I eat more beans. So
okay.
It's just an attack of one.
He said,
it's just an attack of that one.
No. Now somebody will know how far. I tell me say that beans go.
If where you're watching from, if you're watching from TV, check the link pinned on the comment section. Check the link pinned on the comment section. The link is pinned on the comment section. Check it there, click on the link and then go over to BOB and subscribe. Please. You want the number to go up very high. 996. We are just
very much for your super chat.
We are a bit away from 1K. 997. Let's go, dear friends. Let's go. As you enjoy the music, keep the dazzle in your smile and vote this COB channel. 997. 1K subscribers. Wow. We just got 1K on BOB. Wow.
Are we there?
Wow. We just
what God can do does not exist. That is my Biafra. This is my Biafra. This is my Biafra people. We appreciate you all for this. We go dance, join them, We go dance.
I beg, give them music, make they dance, give them music. They are too much. We just got 1K on BOB YouTube channel.
They don't let my people go. Hey, they are called by my name. Says the Lord, we are Biafrans. That is who we are. We don't want election in Biafra land. Chukubia no manyo. Chime gekwiere manyo. Chukwabia, Chukwanyani Jabamba. Chukwu Biafra, Chimazina Mekano. You're not a man that will lie, you're not a man, no. You're not a God that was made by the hands of men. Anya Biakotana, Kesi Bona Mama, Anya Tagafafo, because Anya Bere. It is time, no more time again. It is now, on neighbor. It is time for that kind of freedom. It's time for new dimension. ọkwachi ya na chụrụ ya ichi tai nwata na-enweghị nne ọkwachi ya na-enye ya nri chukwu abịa ma n'oge ruo ha melu mala anyị ma n'ịnọ ya see them as they gather chukwu abịa ma o arise and scatter chukwu zọpụtara ụmụ Israel biko bịa n'ụnụrụ olu anyị maka anya bịakọtala kesi bụ na mụma anya taga fefo biko mere anyị ebere it is time no more time again it is now or never it is time for nothing kind of freedom Mazi Simon Deepa it's time for new dimension only you that we have chukwu if it don't be you the father take over our land chizitere onye ndu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chizitere ụmụada lekwanụ ọmalịcha ndị nne mmaga Biafra the dragon will come out and be on the world right we are saying you're not a man that will lie you're a man no you're not a God that was made by the hands of men anya bịakọtala kesi bụ amụma anya taga mfefu biko mere ya ebere it is time honorable Chasa Soka Umwada worldwide Mazi Simon Iba Umwama Jisienike Onyada namba Kalibu it is time it is time Biafra is the last miracle on earth.
Yes, Biafra and I be the last miracle way there for this earth. And the Biafra we must get. So, Biafrans, I greet all of you anywhere you are watching from. Thank you so much for posting that voice of Biafra this evening. That is why we are Biafrans. Thank you. If I tell you, say my heart no full for joy and a liar, the lie. I'm so happy. So Mazaraf, you know, say you don't talk, you go greet Biafrans. Now go with the go so,
Make I know whether they go hear my voice. You guys are wonderful. Remember is to go and Biafra must come. But the harder they come, the harder. You understand? We are more than them. We are now. I am going to sound a note of warning in Biafra land. Every one of Biafra, you are a celebrity and you have a voice, and you are time as this. You are not doing yourself. See the lives that are being taken in Biafra land is on the line right now. Master Monekpa has come live, and this is time that you are needed the most. Voice out, way out. If you keep quiet, you are the next. So do not keep quiet. Rise up. Let us face all these enemies of Biafra, and let's fight this war. Thank you very much. I love you. My name is Raphael Chamakajere. Working on 97 days to go, and Biafra, we must see.
They were. So as we are closing, Mazi Sonny, you go tell Biafra bye now before we go.
Biafrans, when I do well, God bless you now. I was with the come up for years, so we start this broadcast again. We go end this one, start another one. So don't go anywhere. Just stay where you are. As you see Simon screen, they play for this. So that's why you go, just they play. We just end this one. Pap, we start another one. Pap, we continue watching. So make you now understand one thing. Evans Ewerem was a Senate President of Nigeria in 1999. They allowed him to rule for only 5 months. Later, Okadibo came in to rule. Kadibo did not rule past whether 4 months or 3 months. So between 1999 and 2000, Okadibo and Evans Ewerem, they rule as Senate President, maybe whether na 5 or 8 months, now all of them rule. Before Ayim Pius Ayim later came in, Ayim Pius Ayim came in, he ruled for a year and some. And then he wanted to unveil the eyes of one Nigeria, this corruption and this killing that you see that has pervaded everywhere. Obasanjo did not allow him to do it because the mandate of the caliphate is different from you, the mandate of a man of the eastern region, a Biafran. What point am I connecting? Obasanjo was the president, and you had Senate president as your own brother. Three of them, you had Evans Ewerem, you had Okadibo, you had Anyim Pius Anyim. Did they allow them to do what they were supposed to do? No, because Nigeria is not for you. So do not waste your time to say you're wasting your life on trying Peter Obi because it's a waste of time. Nothing is going to work. Use all your resources and your money and donate to ESN to buy weapons and bullets to sustain your life and to protect your people if you want to be alive. But if you don't want to be alive, continue with one Nigeria and you will see the end. There, Chineke. ESN is your sole aim for you to sustain. So remember them in wherever you are. There, Chineke.
And there were no Omo Chineke. I will say thank you so much. It's just few more days to go. We are going, we are not relenting. Thank you all anyway you are watching from. Thank you for boosting the VOB this wonderful evening. I beg you again to hook on with us as we still join Simon Epa. We are going to switch off and then switch in again to Simon Epa. So thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye for now.